Okay, this is Vegas Pro version 15, and here's the problem. I have a text here and a clip on the timeline, and if I drag the end of the text to the left, then the clip is also pulled to the left, and here we can see a crossfade. If I pull the text to the right, the clip also and the audio also moves to the right. So how to stop this behavior? Okay, to stop it, let's just undo it a few times. Okay, and here's the solution, is this one. It's called auto ripple. Ctrl L is the hotkey. So press Ctrl L on the keyboard. Now auto ripple is disabled, and now you can move it and the clip is not pulled with the text itself. You can move it to the right also. You can place it in a different location also, and it's not influencing it. Whenever you need to move the clips with the other clips also, because now it's not moving the second one, then just re-enable auto ripple. Okay, and now it's moving the second clip also, not just the one that you moved.